If you want to remove a SIM card or SIM cards from your Nothing phone for a Pro, then we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray over here. There's also the SIM tray hole, and we need to use the eject tool in order to pop the SIM tray out. You can find your eject tool inside the box, of course, and then we can just put it into this hole over here. And then once you put it in, you want to apply gentle pressure and push it into the phone to make it pop out. Once that happens, you want to use your fingernails or fingers and remove the SIM tray from the phone. There we go. And this is how it looks like. Now, if you have two SIM cards inserted, then it's a little bit more difficult to remove your SIM cards, simply because there's no simple way to do so. Like, you cannot really just push it from anywhere or anything like that. So what you need to do in this case is you can apply just a tiny bit of pressure, and you can try to bend the SIM tray. You don't want to overdo it, of course, because we don't really want to bend it, but we need to like push it from one side and the other at the same time. If it doesn't work from one side, you can try it from the other, and eventually your SIM should pop out, at least one of them. So let's see if I can make it work. Even I have trouble with that, but there we go. I actually popped it out. You can see that from here it actually popped out, so now it just removed. And then if we have just one SIM, then it's actually super easy because we have these holes from the other side. So you can even use the eject tool again, and you can poke it from the other side through one of these holes that we have in here. And then it should come out really, really easily. So there we go. And then of course we can just put it back into the phone. We're gonna slide it in, make sure that it goes all the way in, and that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.